easy to remember because everything is 1 cup of. So we're going to start with 4 eggs in the mixer. For this recipe, we're going to use the paddle, not the hook like we use for our bread doughs. So this is for our cakes and our cookies, we use a paddle. I'm going to put the paddle inside. I'm going to put in my 4 eggs. Give this a mix a little bit. I'm going to add a cup of sugar. I'm going to add a cup of oil. I am going to add a cup of chips. Now if you want to make it with walnut, you can do that. You can put a cup of coconut if you would like. I'm going to put a cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to put a tablespoon of vanilla essence. That's vanilla essence. I'm going to put coffee. So I put coffee, instant coffee with a cup of water to give it the coffee flavor. To prepare our cover, parchment paper for our cake pan, we are going to make a square and then fold it into half, and then into half again. And then we're going to, like we used to do airplanes, we're going to go like this, fold it like this, fold the crease, and then again like this. And we're going to measure it from the middle of the pan and cut it around. So we'll put it like this, we'll put the point in the middle of the pan and just cut it like that. And voila, we have a circle. Remember to spray around your cake pan and at the bottom too. We're now going to put a cup of flour. If you're not using self-raising flour, you put about a flat teaspoon of baking powder with your flour. And this is all-purpose flour. I'm going to put a tablespoon of cacao. You don't have to, but I want to give it more of the chocolatey taste. I'm going to put unsweetened cacao, 1 tablespoon. Give it like 2 more minutes and it's done. We're going to put it in a 350 oven for about 40 minutes.